Okay, hello Gibby, I'm back again, and I just want to tell you what just happened. I sent a message to him. He sent me a message back now. He disputed the game. They got the score like 24-0, and we won the game. We won the first map, and the second map he sent me got to go good game. You can see it here. Got to go good game. There it came. And then now an hour later, I looked at my GB profile and saw that it was disputed. So then I asked him why he disputed, and then he said like this: "Was my captain? I kicked him from team. He made no ticket. It's okay." And you can see it from him, and so I really want to get this win because yeah, we deserve it. I think. Lol. Okay, now he sent this because I sent it. How can I trust you? So yeah, it's only proof. So thank you. Bye.